This is the BMW E87 1 Series, first generation. And when the problem is with the key fob battery, this problem is quite big in these cars, because this generation with BMW vehicles, they had two types of keys actually: the Compfort Access key, so keyless entry cars, and non-Compfort Access. In my case, it's non-Compfort Access key, and in this key fob I can't replace the battery. So the batteries are lithium, they are rechargeable, and you can just easily replace them. In a Compfort Access car, you can replace the battery. This is just a simple CR2032 battery, and you can just replace it like in any other car. In this key fob, you have two options: whether you find someone who can resolder the battery, or you can buy the new key fob from the BMW dealership, which is not that easy to do given the car is quite old. So okay, you still can start your car even if the battery is absolutely dead. You can start the car just by putting this key with a non-working battery in this slot and pressing the start button while pressing the clutch or brake, and it will start. It will start because it communicates with the RFID chip in this key, and it doesn't need the battery for that. Also, if the Compfort Access key fob battery died, you can still start your vehicle just by doing the same thing. So you will just insert it in the slot and your car will start and you may drive. And then you just go to a supermarket, buy a battery and replace it. So fortunately, you will not get stranded because of the key fob battery died in these cars, but yeah, non-Compfort Access keys will seem like a weird idea to make these lithium rechargeable batteries. These key fob batteries will recharge in the slot. So when you're driving or when the car is idling, they will recharge. But this car is now about 20 years old, and the lithium battery in this key is just dead. And so you have those two options: whether you buy the new key fob from the dealership or you replace the battery by resoldering it, which is not that easy.